Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, we are going to talk about if we can listen to unavailable songs on Spotify. All right, so let's start. Okay, so first let's open up Spotify on our device. So when you scroll down to the songs on the library, if you notice that there are some songs that are grayed out, it means to say that these songs are not available on Spotify. So for example, let's take this one. So you will know that a song is unavailable because first it is grayed out and there's no cover art for it. It means that that song is actually unavailable in Spotify. Now, can you listen to unavailable songs in Spotify? The short answer is no. Spotify does not allow its users to listen to unavailable songs in Spotify platform. So maybe you can use other apps to listen to that particular song, but if it is unavailable in Spotify, then you cannot listen to it. Okay, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.